The last article I have chosen to look at as of right now is how does postpartum depression affect children? Obviously, we're keeping on theme, but this article, like most others, goes into what postpartum depression is, and it classifies it as postpartum depression. So baby blues, essentially, that last 8 months or longer. That's what postpartum depression is. So it comes out of that baby blue phase and into actual depression. I found this one pretty interesting because it goes a little bit farther than some of the studies that we've seen or that I've chosen to look at. And it talks about the long-term effects of kind of the cognitive delays and stuff we see from depressed mothers. We see that children are 4 times more likely to have behavioral issues at the ages of 3 and 4, 2 times more likely to have lower math scores at 16 years old, and 7 times more likely to suffer from depression at 18 years old. So we kind of get to see the long-term effects of what having a depressed caregiver can do on our long-term development. This one was also interesting because it gives us the risk of depression and anxiety, and kind of talks about how the family stress and the lack of connection and lack of emotional regulation that we see from a young age can affect us. And it also goes into treatments for postpartum depression. So that is how I will be wrapping up my research paper, is the treatments that we can provide or use and how those treatments may help increase the cognitive development of children from a young age. All in all, I feel like this article will be a good way to wrap it up.